Hello, my dear children. Very good morning to all of you. So, once again, I welcome you all to ninth standard second language English. Let us today discuss about supplementary reading. Lesson number 3, Ranji's Wonderful Bat. Okay, are you ready, guys? Open your textbooks. So, it's a supplementary part. Why it is given? Yes, you know it. As I told you in the 8th standard, this part is given to improve your reading skill, right? So you yourself has to go through these lessons and understood. But in regular classes, the teachers are also going to taught these lessons in the as in the way of regular lessons. Okay, I hope you are ready with your textbooks. Let's start. It's a lesson which tells us that it's a very good lesson and it is the most important lesson for you. The message is very important for you. What it tells us, encouragement and confidence. These two are very important. Encouragement and confidence. Look at here. Everybody should have these two, right? For any person or any pupil, right? If you want to achieve something, he has two things. He needed these two things. First one is he should have encouragement from any of his friends, family members, or anybody. And then he should have confidence in him or her. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಾಧಿಸುವಂಥವನಿಗೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಇರಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಯಾರಿಂದನೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರಿಂದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕರೇಜ್, even though if he has encouragement, if he has not confidence, it will waste. It is going to be waste. So that is why everyone should need confidence, right? It should not be given by somebody. It is with him, right? He has to awaken it. ಎಚ್ಚರಗೊಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅವನು, ರೈಟ್? ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಅದು ಯಾರು ಕೊಡೋವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಎಚ್ಚರಗೊಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ us about that encouragement and confidence makes man successful in the life. What these two things will makes the man successful. If we these two things, right? If we these two things, we will be successful, right, my dear children? So what the lesson starts with, there was a cricket match in Ranji's school. Who is our hero? Ranji is our hero of the lesson, Ranji. Okay, there was a cricket match is going in, so it's an intramural Antarshala Kridakuta. Another school of the cricket team was invited to Ranji's school, and the game is going between Ranji's school and the invited team, right? There was a cricket match in Ranji's school with the visiting team, the other team, visiting team. Now let's see. My dear children, I hope you have some information or you are so much familiar with, little bit familiar with cricket. Yes. So somebody may have, somebody may not have. So I would like to tell simple things about cricket, because it's very essential. If you want to know this lesson, if you want to understand this lesson, we need these things. So in a cricket team, 11 players. A cricket team consists of 11 players. In these 11 players, one would be wicket keeper who stands behind the wickets like this, behind the wickets, by putting gloves to his hands, by putting gloves to his hands, the gloves which is made up of leather or cloth to protect his fingers or hand, right? As it was a hard leather ball, he has to keep, he has to catch, right? So he was a keeper, he is standing behind the wickets, right? And in 10 remaining 10 ಉಳಿದ 10 ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ some of them are selected as batsmen, right? Some players are going to be selected as batsmen, some of them selected as bowlers. 10 ಜನ ಉಳಿದ ಆಟಗಾರರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಗಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, in ಕನ್ನಡ ದಾಂಡಿಗರು ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅವರು, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದವರು ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವ್ರನ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ಸ್, ಈ ಮೇ ಬೌಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್, ಈ ಮೇ ಬೌಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ 3 ವಿಧದ ಆಟಗಾರರು 10 ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕೀಪರ್, ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೀಪರ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 10 some of them are batsmen, some of them are bowlers, and some may have selected as all-rounders. Got understood, my dear children? Okay. Yeah. How the player has to run? Heng run ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ players. How they are going to make run with their bats. So around the boundary line, the fielders are waiting, right? Kshetra Rakshakaru, they one team has to field and another team has to bat. So the team which was selected batting first, the 2 players will coming to bat, right? The fielders are ready to field, right? Have you getting idea about cricket? Yes, you may have watched in TV, but see now here, this is needed now to understand this lesson. So if batsman stands like this in front of the wickets, this will be the offside and this will be the leg side. Idu offside agirutte, idu leg side agirutte, and behind the wickets the wicket keeper is standing, and opposite stumps in front of the behind the opposite stumps in front, right? And in the other side wickets behind, the umpire is standing, umpires to give judgment, right? Whether it is out or not out, or 4 runs, 6 runs, like this. Umpire is needed. Referee is called referee, right? Umpire is needed, and another batsman is standing in the next, right? And here the first batsman is ready to bat. He is a runner, right? Second batsman. So this way cricket match starts. And one bowler, opposite team has also 11 players. In that, wicket keeper is standing there. One more bowler, other 9 are in fielding, right? Or they are in ready to field. If the batsman hits the ball, okay, when it crosses the boundary touching the ground, it is given as 4 runs. 4, or like this umpire gives. Even the batsman hits the ball, when it crosses the boundary line without touching the ground, it is given as 6. Or if he hits the ball, okay, in between anybody come and collect the ball, they have to run between the wickets, whether it is 1, 2 or 3. So in this way, the one team, batting team, is going to make the runs. There are also some outs are also given by LBW is there, LBW leg before wicket, and catch out, bowled out, like this. Out, batsman will out in this kind of ways. Okay, let's we start. So I hope you have got some little bit idea about cricket. So let's see through this lesson how you are going to understand. How is that? Look at here. How is that? Shouted the wicket keeper. Who is the wicket keeper? One who is standing behind the wickets. He shouted. How is that? Shouted the wicket keeper. So I forgot one thing, that Ranji's wonderful bat. This lesson is written by Ruskin Bond, one who has written Grandma Climbs a Tree. Right? This one is also from him. How is that? Shouted the wicket keeper, holding the ball up in his gloves. Holding the ball up in his gloves, he shouted, how is that? Right? How is that means? He is appealing the umpire. He is appealing the umpire. In the same way, how is that? Echoed the fielders. When the wicket keeper appealed for it, the fielders, right? Other fielders are also echoed. How is that? Wicket keeper ಕೂಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. How? Growled the fast bowler, glaring at the umpire. The person who bowled, he also howled. Growled the fast bowler, right? Growled the fast bowler, glaring at the umpire. Glare means a long, angry look. How is that? Like this. So, whoever made an appeal to the umpire, the first wicket keeper made an appeal to the umpire. Secondly, the fielders, and the bowler is glaring at the umpire. He is also asking for out. Out, said the umpire. How the out will be given by the umpire? Like this. Out will be given by the umpire. Yes. Out, said the umpire. What they appeal, right? What was the decision? The umpire given it as out. And Suraj, who was out here? Suraj was out. Suraj, the captain of the school, Ranji's school team captain. Suraj, captain of the school team, was walking slowly back to the tool shed. Tool shed means where the other players are sitting with their equipments, bat and balls. They are waiting. In that, may we call it as pavilion, right? Pavilion. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟಗಾರರು, ಉಳಿದ ಆಟಗಾರರು. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬ ಔಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಉಳಿದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂಲ್ ಶೆಡ್. ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಟೂಲ್ ಶೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಆಟದ ಮೈದಾನದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಟೂಲ್ ಶೆಡ್ಡಿಗೆ he has to go back. If anybody outs, he has to go back to the pavilion. The score stood at 53 for 4 wickets. So when Suraj was out, what was the score of the team? Suraj out ಆದಾಗ ತಂಡದ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತು? The score stood at 53 for 4 wickets. 53 for loss of 4 wickets. This is the way of writing score. The team scored 53 runs by losing 4 wickets. Another 60 runs had to be made. 60 runs needed. 60 runs need to be made for victory. To win. 60 runs needed to win. ಗೆಲ್ಲಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ 60 ರನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? Another 60 runs the team has to make to win. And only one good batsman remained. Now, what is the situation of the school team, Ranji's team? Only one good batsman remained. As I told, in a team, there are some bowlers and there are some batsmen. So, there may be 5 to 6 batsmen, or there may be 4 to 5 bowlers, or 5 to 6 bowlers, 4 to 5 batsmen. Within that, there may be all-rounders. Now, the team has already lost very good 4 batsmen. First comes batsmen, right? Already lose 4 best batsmen. Now, the only ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಡ್. ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಈಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡೋಂಥವ್ರು. ಆಲ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೆರ್ ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ 5 ಜನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ 5 ಜನ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? 5 + 5, another one is wicket keeper. All the rest were bowlers who could not make many runs, including keeper also. They could not make runs. It was Ranji's turn to bat. ಈಗ 4 ಜನ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರೋ 6 ಜನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? 4 ಜನ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರೋನು ಒಬ್ಬ. It was Ranji's turn to bat. Now who was remaining? Ranji was remaining. It was his turn to bat. ಈಗ ಆಡುವ ಸರದಿ ಯಾರ್ದು? ರಂಜಿ. Ranji's turn to bat. He was the youngest member of the team. He was the youngest. Youngest. EST. Young, younger, youngest. Young, younger, youngest. ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕವನು ಆ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ 11 but strong and bold. How old he was? He was 11 years old. 11 years old, Ranji. Only 11 but he was strong and bold. How was Ranji? Even though he was 11 years old, he was bold and strong. Ranji prepared to face the bowler. Ranji was prepared to face the bowler. Bowler nu ಎದುರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He was prepared to face the bowler. The hard, look at here, the hard, shiny red ball. How was the cricket ball? Right? That was very hard. ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ shiny, ಮಿಂಚ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It was shining. Red ball came speeding towards him. When he was prepared to face the bowler, the hard, shiny red ball, right, is speeding towards him. When the bowler throw the ball towards Ranji, it is coming towards Ranji. Ranji was going to leap forward and play the ball back to the bowler. Look at here, Ranji. So there will be some thoughts going in the mind of the batsman, right? The batsman will thought like this: shall I shot a ball? No. Shall I play defense? So this kind of thoughts will come to the minds of the players sometimes. Ranji was going to leap forward and play the ball back to the bowler. So ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ರಂಜಿ. But at the last moment, ಕೊನೆಯ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ, last moment, he changed his mind. Look at, before receiving the ball, the things which are going in Ranji's mind. First, what he decided? So shall go forward and play the ball, right? So at last moment, he changed his mind and stepped back. So at last, the last moment, he decided to step back. First, he decided to step forward, right? Going forward. But at the last moment, he changed his mind and he stepped back. Stepped back, planning to push the ball through the ring of fielders on his right or offside. As I told, if the batsman stands there like this will be the offside and this will be the leg side. So after that, what Ranji at last decide? He decide by putting his leg back. What it is? Stepped back, planning to push the ball. Planning to push the ball. He planned to push the ball offside. Offside ಗೆ ಆಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. Throw the ring of fielders on his right or offside. The ball on in the air. The ball on in the air. Shot of the grass. When the bowler threw the ball, right? ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಬಿದ್ದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಗೆ ಹುಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ, ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏರ್, ಶಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ came through sharply to strike Ranji on his pads. What happens when Ranji planned to play like this? The ball to come and hit his pad. When he tried to play like this, when his bat misses the ball hits his pad. Throw sharply to strike Ranji on his pads. The umpire, look what happened. The umpire raised a finger. Out is set. Right? When he planned to play like this, the ball come and hits his pad. So this kind of out will be given that and that. If the ball is on the wicket, when it touches the pad of the batsman, it will be given as LBW out, leg before wicket. If it directly touches the wicket, it is bowled. Right? If the ball is on the wicket, not other sides, on the wicket, whenever it touches the pad of the batsman, when he try to play, that will be given as LBW. The umpire raised the finger out, he sat, and it was Ranji's turn to walk back to the tool shed as Suraj. Right? Suraj ಹೇಗೆ tool shed ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋದ ಔಟ್ ಆದಾಗ, now it was Ranji's turn to go back to tool shed when he was out as LBW. The match was won by the visiting team. After that, they lost the match. Right? Visiting team, which was visited Ranji's school, that won the match. Never mind. Look at here. Never mind, said Suraj. Never mind, said Suraj. Patting Ranji on the back. Patting. The teacher patted his back. Right? Mestru hudugana ben tattidru anta patted. Yes, very good. Patting. Right? That is to encourage. In the same way, never mind. Don't think about this. Don't worry. Never mind. Suraj said Suraj. Who said? Suraj. Who was Suraj? The captain of the Ranji's team. Ranji Tandada Nayaka. He came and patted Ranji. Right? Never mind patting Ranji on the back. Don't worry. You will do better next time. Hello, my dear Ranji. You have to do better next time. He told Ranji, he put some condition, right? Or you will lose your place in the side. You will lose your place in the side. Means, by encouraging Ranji, right? So never mind, don't worry, don't think about it. Everything will be going right. So play well in the next match. Right? He supported it. But if you did not play well in the next coming soon match, you are going to drop out from the team. You will be dropped. This was the suggestion given by his captain, Suraj. When captain said, right, all these words to Ranjan became upset, right? Avoiding the other players, right? Avoiding the other players. He neglected. Avoiding. Ranji walked slowly homewards. Homewards means towards home. Slowly. He was very upset on that day. How he was? He was looking very upset. He was very upset. Ranji was upset. He had been trying so hard and practicing so regularly before this match. How he practiced hard and regularly. He practiced hard and he practiced regularly. But when the important game comes, he failed to make a big score. Even though he practiced regularly, he was worked hard. When the important game came, he did not play very well. He was failed to play well. He failed to make a big score. Look at it. He failed to make a big score. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನೇನಾದ ವಿಫಲನಾದ. On his way home. And that means towards going his home, he had to pass. ಅವನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ he had to pass Mr. Kumar's sports shop. Mr. Kumar's sports shop. Mr. Kumar's sports shop. So while on the way of his home, he has to cross Mr. Kumar's sports shop. He liked to chat with the owner. Who was the owner of the shop? Mr. Kumar. He liked to chat. Right? He used to talk with the owner of the shop. That means he used to talk with Mr. Kumar. Look at all the things on the shelves. That means in a sports shop, there are many shelves. On the shelf, they arrange the sports articles. Things on the shelves: footballs, cricket balls, badminton rackets, hockey sticks, and balls of various shapes and sizes. This is the usual act of Ranji. Like to chat, going inside the shop, right? Meeting with Mr. Kumar, chatting with Kumar, talking with Kumar, and looking around the sports shop, what the articles are arranged on the shelves. So it was his daily routine work, kept in habit. Balls of various shapes and sizes. Mr. Kumar, this person, owner of the shop, Mr. Kumar, had been a state player once, and had scored a century in a match against Tanzania. So once he was a state level player who made a century against Tanzania. ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಆಟಗಾರನಾಗಿದ್ದು ತಾಂಜಾನಿಯಾ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಇವನು ಕೂಡ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾರು? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. He was also a state level cricket player. But this was one day when he did not feel like stopping. What day? When Ranji lose the game. When in that match he did not play well. When he was going home towards upset on that day, he did not feel like stopping. Right? On that day, when he was upset, he did not like to feel stop. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಆ ದಿನ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. He looked the other way. He did not looking this side. He looking other way. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ, and was about to cross the road when he was ready to cross the road while looking other side. At the same time, when Mr. Kumar's voice stopped him. Ranji was upset. He was not looking Mr. Kumar's shop side. He was looking another side. When he was ready to cross the road, "Hello, Ranji!" Right? Whose words here? Whose words there? Mr. Kumar's words stopped him. "Hello, Ranji!" Always he used to come inside the shop, but this day he was not ready to come because he was very upset. So Mr. Kumar called him. "Hello, Ranji! Why are you looking so sad? Lost the game today?" What Mr. Kumar asked him? "Why are you looking so sad? Hello, man, Ranji! Why are you so sad? ಯಾಕೋ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರಾದಾಗ ಕಾಣ್ತೀಯಾ? Lost the game today? Match ಇವತ್ತು ಸೋತ್ರಾ? Have you lost the game today?" So these were the words from Mr. Kumar. Okay, I think this is enough for today's class. Let's continue in the next class. My dear children, please go through the text and try to understand the lesson. Let's meet in the next class. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.